Now Foods, Solutions, XyliWhite, Kids Toothpaste Gel, Bubblegum Splash, 3 ounces, 85 grams. Product Overview Description: Fluoride and SLS-free, naturally sweetened, kid-tested, kid-approved, gluten-free, vegan-free of SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate. Suggested use: adults and children 2 years and older. Apply XyliWhite toothpaste gel onto a soft bristle toothbrush. Brush thoroughly after meals, at least twice a day or as directed by your dentist. Other ingredients: functional ingredients, xylitol, 25%. Ingredients: water, xylitol, 25%, hydrated silica, glycerin, sorbitol, xanthan gum, sodium cocoa sulfate, natural flavor, sorbic acid, stevia rebodiana extract, lycopene, sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, Melaleuca alternifolia, tea tree, leaf oil. Warnings: contain xylitol, do not use for pets. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.